Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix chat-based training errors in 2026. If your chatbot isn't processing documents or your training keeps failing, don't worry. These simple fixes usually solve the problem, so let's get started. First, make sure your files are supported and not damaged before uploading them. Yeah, corrupted or unsupported files can cause training to fail. Next, check that your documents or website content contain clear, readable text. Scanned images or poorly formatted files may not be processed correctly by the AI. If you're training from a website, confirm that the URL is accessible and that important pages aren't blocked by login requirements or robot settings. Then try running the website scan again. Also, make sure you haven't exceeded your plan's knowledge or storage limits. If you've reached the limit, remove unnecessary data or upgrade your plan before retraining your chatbot. Finally, refresh the dashboard and start the training process again. If the error continues, contact Chatbase support and include the error message along with details about the files or website you were using. And that's it. Now you know how to fix the most common chat-based training errors. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.